5 years ago, when I started Stratton Oakmont with Donnie Azoff, I knew the day would eventually come where I'd have to be moving on. And it's truly with a heavy heart that I'm here to say that day is finally here. I want to thank you all for your years of loyalty and admiration. But the point is this. Under Donnie's leadership, along with Nikki Koskoff and Robbie Feinberg, moving into key management positions, this place really is, it's going to be better than ever. That I promise you, okay? Give me a round of applause. Come on. This is Ellis Island here, people. I don't care who you are, where you're from, whether your relatives came over on the fucking Mayflower or an inner tube from Haiti. This right here is the land of opportunity. Stratton Oakmont is America. All of you know Kimmy Belzer, right?
Yes, we do. Fuck you.
Come on, Kimmy. What you probably didn't know is Kimmy was one of the first brokers here, one of Stratton's original 20. Now, most of you met Kimmy, the beautiful, sophisticated woman that she is today. A woman that wears $3,000 Armani suits, who drives a brand new Mercedes-Benz, a woman who spends her winters in the Bahamas and her summers in the Hamptons. That's not the Kimmy that I met. The Kimmy that I met didn't have two nickels to rub together. She was a single mom on the balls of her ass with an 8-year-old son. Okay, she was 3 months behind on her rent. And when she came to me and asked me for a job, she asked for a $5,000 advance just so she could pay his son's tuition. What'd I do, Kimmy? Go on, tell him.
You wrote me a check for $25,000.
That's right. And you know why that is? It's because I believed in you. It's because I believed in you, Kimmy. Just like I believe in each and every one of you here today.
I fucking love you, Jordan.
I fucking love
you.
I
fucking love you. I love you.
I fucking love you too. I fucking love you too. And I love all of you. I love all of you from the bottom of my heart. I mean that. Shame, you know, because for years I've been telling you guys never to take no for an answer, right? You know, to keep pushing, to never hang up the phone until you get what you want, because you all deserve it. You know, this fucking deal that I'm about to sign, barring me from the securities industry, barring me from Stratton, my home. Is that, you know? I'll tell you what it is. It's me taking no for an answer, you know? It's them selling me, not the other way around. It's me being a hypocrite is what it is. So you know what? I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving. I'm not fucking leaving! The show goes on! This is my home! They're gonna need a fucking wrecking ball to take me out of here. They're gonna need to send in the National Guard, a fucking SWAT team,
'cause I ain't going nowhere! Fuck
Howdy D. Mazel tov, you Irishmen. Jordan Belfort just welched on his deal with the SEC. He is back in the ocean. Happy hunting.